Hi, Sophia. I am Mark. Can you help me understand when to use can and could?
Hi, Mark. Sure, I can help you with that. Can is used for present ability like I can speak English. Could is used for past ability or polite requests like could you help me please?
Got it. Thanks, Sophia. Can I ask another question?
Of course, Mark. What's your question?
When do we use may and might?
Great question. May is used for permission or possibility in the present, like, may I go to the restroom? Might is used for less certain possibilities, like, it might rain tomorrow.
Thanks, Sophia. I might understand now.
You're welcome, Mark. Feel free to ask if you have more questions.
Yes, I have one more question. Can I learn about must?
Absolutely, I can explain. Must is used for strong obligation or certainty, like I must finish my homework. It's also used for deductions, like he must be tired.
Ah, I see. Could you give me an example with must for obligation?
Sure. You must wear a seatbelt when driving.
Thanks, Sophia. I must remember that.
You're welcome, Mark. I am glad I could help.
Now, help me understand when to use might.
I would be happy to help. Might is used for less certain possibilities, like I might go to the beach tomorrow.
Thanks, Sophia. Can you give me another example?
Sure. She might be late for the meeting.
Ah, I think I understand now. Might I ask another question?
Of course, Mark. What's on your mind?
When should I use could?
Could is used for past ability or polite requests, like I could swim when I was younger or could you pass the salt, please?
Got it. Thanks, Sophia. I could remember that.
You're welcome, Mark. I am here to help anytime.
Can you explain when to use would and should?
Absolutely, I can explain that. Would is used for hypothetical situations or polite requests, like I would go to the party if I were invited, or would you like some tea?
Thanks, Sophia. Can you give me another example?
Sure. She said she would call me later.
Sophia, can you explain what a hypothetical situation is?
Absolutely, I can explain. A hypothetical situation is something that could happen or might happen, but it hasn't actually happened yet. It's like imagining or speculating about a possible scenario.
Ah, I see. Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say you are planning a picnic, but it's raining outside. You might say, if it were not raining, we would have a picnic in the park.
Got it. So it's like imagining something that might happen if conditions were different.
Exactly. It's about exploring possibilities that may or may not come true.
Thanks for explaining, Sophia. I understand now.
You are welcome, Mark. I am glad I could help.
Got it. How about should?
Should is used to give advice or express obligation, like you should eat more fruits and vegetables, or you should apologize for your mistake.
Ah, I see. Thanks for explaining, Sophia. I should remember that.
You are welcome, Mark. I am here to help anytime.
Sophia, can I practice using can and could in sentences?
Yes, I can help you with that. I can ride a bike and could you pass me the sauce, please?
Okay, let me try. I can swim and could you help me with my homework?
Great job, Mark. You are getting the hang of it.
I can speak Spanish and could you lend me your pen, please?
Excellent. Keep practicing, Mark.
Can I practice using may and might in sentences?
Yes, why no? May I borrow your book? And it might snow tomorrow.
Okay, let me try. May I go to the movies? And it might rain later.
Perfect, Mark. You're doing great.
May I have a cookie? And she might be busy right now.
Excellent job. Keep it up.
Now practice using must in sentences.
Yes, let's go with this. You must wear a helmet when riding a bike, and he must be at work by 9 a.m.
Okay, let me try. We must finish our homework before dinner, and she must be hungry because she has not eaten all day.
Wonderful, Mark. You're getting the hang of it.
I must study for my exam tomorrow, and they must be lost because they are not answering their phone.
Excellent. Keep practicing, Mark.
Thank you, Sophia, for helping me. We will meet soon to discuss more interesting topics.